Hey y'all, we got that project finished up over here. We want to go ahead and give you a complete tour of what we did from start, progress to finish of the retainer walls. I do a lot of them. I don't ever get back to get the final product, so I want to go ahead and get a shot of that, let y'all see what it looks like. We're over here now, started on another boathouse. We've got that roof going up, got 7,500 pound Golden Series sea dry boat lift going in there. Once we get that done, I'll go ahead and get the video of that posted of the progress pictures, the completion pictures, and then we'll be moving on to the next one. We got some mooring poles to set, some 9-inch by 35 footers, and after that we got 6 loads of rock that we got put in via barge. If y'all would subscribe to the channel, I appreciate the ones that y'all have. So if you got any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them. I'll see if I can't get back when you get your questions answered. Thanks, guys. Hey y'all, this project's taking a little bit longer than we thought. We've had a couple additions. We're installing a handrail along the top of the retainer wall. We're also installing a deck in between the upper retainer wall and the lower seawall. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got done on this and hopefully get it all wrapped up next week, and I'll give you completed progress pictures from the start of what it looked like to what it looks like at the end. Y'all, thanks for subscribing to the channel, and I appreciate you watching it. Saved a lot of time cutting around them pilings and cutting up against the vinyl. Also acts as a nice drain system. Good way to keep from having to do all those cuts around the pilings and up against that vinyl. That would have taken forever. These are some center wall support blocks right here that helps the deflection of the inside corrugation from bowing out. We got this project wrapped up and we've moved on to the next. Nice seawall on the bottom side, got that dug out so we can moor a nice sized boat against it. About 11-foot deck on top of the seawall with a retainer wall on the back side. Sticks up about 8 foot. Got a handrail on there to protect from any falls, and top cap on top. This project will last a long time. Should never have any issues with it. I think it turned out beautiful. If y'all hadn't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I appreciate that. And if you would, like and share. If you got some comments, leave me some comments. I'll be happy to get back with you on those. Thank you.